Fear limits you and your true potential. Being brave and believing in yourself, that's what helps you achieve greatness. I grow in chaos. The lessons I've learned in the water help me grow outside of it. I've had some close calls and accidents. The bigger the waves, the more you risk. As you move across the ocean with the intense power of the waves pushing you, helping you gain speed, it's a truly amazing experience. Shaping and designing the ultimate board is a passion. Crafting each one is a process that blends design, performance, and practicality. To feel and harness that power is a feeling like nothing else, a kind of euphoria. I don't think there's any greater feeling than surfing. It's freedom, adventure, and creativity, all rolled into one.